Alright then, here it is. Let's see how this goes. Alright, let's prepare this engine. Alright, just had to get some pliers. Now for the hoses. Alright, I'm back. Just clean. Probably a stutter or something in there. Alright, just want to change my glove and get some coffee. Alright, I'm hoping everything's going to work fine. Hoping the mass airflow sensor is good. Hoping the lines are good. I'm inspecting them. Roughest inspection. Alright, this. Alright, back. Fancy spark plug remover. Fresh. Alright, now let's see what we're dealing with. But it doesn't look like spark plugs were damaged, just worn. That is definitely a good sign. Again, really nice. Again, very worn, but not damaged. There we go. See, very worn from the blowout, whatever, but not damaged here. Decent. No excessive oil. Probably original. Swap it out for new one. Brand spanking new. Alright. Alright, so it looks like we are ready with this engine. Took out the wiring harness. I think I can still use this. I'm pretty sure it's a hell of a lot better than the one I have, almost 300,000 miles. This is the only thing I need to change from the JDM version because it's smaller. Supposedly, I'm gonna double check. Got my airflow sensor. Throttle body sensor. Put my water pump in here. Took out the old one. Put new spark plugs. sensors out back. That is a crank angle sensor. Up here, oil pressure sensor, and back here, oxygen sensor. So let's go get started on the Prius. All right, I started taking out the box. So the box is out. So I'm going to start getting the windshield wiper things off. Alright, so took off the windshield wipers, took out the air box. Now we're probably going to start taking it off the wiring harness in the Prius. Let's see how it goes. Alright, I have disconnected pretty much all of the wiring harness, and I'm going to get started on the plumbing. Weird update. The head gasket did not completely fail. I saw shards of aluminum block on the underpan carriage. So that's disturbing. Alright, let's see where this goes. Oh yeah, and got all this junk here. There was no water inside the oil. We drained the oil. So that's kind of awkward. Alright. The engine is out. Amazingly. This is the old one. And I will show you details a little bit later, just how bad it is. This is the engine. This is where we are right now. Put everything back, I think. New oil, cooler, antifreeze, and let's see what happens. Alright, the engine's in. I'm fast forwarding quite a bit. But yeah, engine worked fine. I purged the water and the oil's good. I ran it a bit, actually quite a bit. We are good. Sending you KDM engine in the Prius. Ready for another 11 years or so of use, hopefully. And I put the engine cover thing on. So, yeah. All right, a success.